rose in November, I will remember two noble heroes to Manchester came. It was their intention, as I now will mention, to free old Ireland from her tyrant's chain. The police viewed them as if they knew them, and to pursue them they did not fail. They did surround them, with handcuffs bound them, and marched them prisoners to the county jail. When Alan heard that those men were taken to O'Brien and Larkin, he quickly flew, saying, "For Colonel Kelly, my heart is breaking. Oh, noble heroes, what shall we do?" They went together with one another, and like loyal brothers they did agree, saying, "Let every man go up to the van and break it open and set them free." But now, kind friends, what followed after? Those men were taken, as you may see. Both judge and jury soon found them guilty, and they died martyrs for their country. It was sad upon that fatal morning when their friends assembled to bid farewell. The choir chanted ora pro nobis, and they joined chorus in their dreary cells. The clock struck 8 and their friends departed, when the wicked hangman he did appear. Then they raised their heads and they kissed each other, for they knew their time it was drawing near. When on the scaffold they looked around them, not a son of Aaron was to be seen. Although for miles they came in thousands to see those martyrs die for the green. Oh, their graves are made in holy Ireland, and holy angels around them stand. Saint Patrick made them with his joyous blessing. You're welcome, heroes, to our heavenly land.